In today's video, I am going to teach you how to extract data from PDF to Google Sheets. To get started, open your Google Drive in a web browser. This method works best when your PDF contains selectable text or a clear table. If the PDF is a scanned image, the results can vary, but Google may still recognize some of the text during conversion. Once you are in Google Drive, go to the top left corner and click the plus new button. From the menu that appears, select File Upload. Then browse your computer, choose the PDF you want to extract data from, and upload it. Give it a moment to finish uploading. You should see the file appear in your Drive list. Now right-click the PDF file. In the menu, hover your cursor over Open With. You will see several options, and you will want to select Google Docs. When you open the PDF this way, Google Drive creates a new Google Doc and attempts to convert the PDF content into editable text. Wait a few seconds while the conversion completes, especially if the file is large. When the Google Doc opens, look for the data you need. Often tables will be converted into text that still looks like a table, but spacing and alignment may not be perfect. Take your time to locate the exact rows and columns you want to bring into Sheets. Next, highlight the data or the full table inside the Google Doc. Be careful to select only what you need, because extra blank lines or headers can make cleanup harder later. With the correct area highlighted, press Ctrl+C on Windows or CMD+C on Mac to copy it. Now open your Google Sheet. This can be an existing spreadsheet or a new one, as long as you are ready to paste the data in. Click the cell where you want the data to start. This cell will become the top left corner of what you paste, so choose a clear starting point. Finally, press Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac to paste. Google Sheets will automatically place the content into cells, and in many cases, it will separate columns in a usable way. If the table does not line up perfectly, you may need minor formatting adjustments afterward, but the extraction itself is complete, and that is all there is to it.